So this is pre-degree, let's see post-degree up.
Okay, what are you doing? Do you have the little
Thumbs up. This is too small. What
tampon?
is this? Like a tampon.
Here? Well, double up with a tampon, you know. It's a heavy flow.
It's a heavy flow. My God. Wait. No,
Come on, serious guys,
What is
serious.
that? Libra Ultra Pins.
Libra Ultra Thin.
Then what?
No. So you want to, this is where you, so being a good physio, right, you need to feel, it's all about feeling. So you need to feel where her weight is, right? And you want to have all her weight almost on the point of where your hand is.
Like this?
Yeah, and then when you feel all the weight's there, then you just send me lean in, push the elbows in, push the elbows down. Come back up. You sort of just move around there.
How did that feel, Vanessa?
You missed out all the fun.
I felt like I just got sat on.
It's like